Hi guys, my name is Harry. Today I want to share with you one of my projects which I did when I was a student in college. It is a doctor's appointment booking system. With this application, the client patients can see the entire specialist profile and audits about the specialist to book arrangement earlier on their telephones or PC from their home or some other favorite media, wiping out the need to visit the specialist place. Before we jump into setting up this project, we need to know all the system actors and their features. There are four main actors: our patients, doctors, counselors, and administrators. To make an appointment, the first thing we need to do is to find a doctor, then select one of the available time and date, fill up our information. We need the client's email in order to send update messages about the arrangement and all the related stuff. After that, if we check our email, we will see a new email telling that our appointment is pending. At this point in our system, the counselors supporters need to confirm their patient's appointment. With the counselor action, we also send emails to notify patients about their appointment being updated. Finally, the doctor can see their appointment with the patients, view the patient information, and send invoices.